What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial, and this is our second tutorial. Okay, because I've already created the first tutorial where I talk about how to set up the environment, like to install your JDK, configure it, and also to download a text editor and start to write your program. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, I will advise you to go and see it. Okay, good. So in this second tutorial, we are going to dive deep in classes, and then we will come up with a program where we will just, you know, talk about more like class, because you should know that Java is made up of classes. Like anything that you want to do in Java, you must start with a class. Okay, good. So I have a program like called triangle. I am going to just come up with a basic triangle, and then we'll find the area and the perimeter. Okay, good. So the first thing we will do, since this is our project structure, now in this project structure we could add as many programs as possible. So to make it more readable and nice, we should put each program in a specific package. So I am going to show you guys how you can create a package and add your class in each case. So so to create a package, I will highlight on my source folder, because that's where everything goes in. I will right click and go to new, then package. So this package I will call it dimensional figures. Okay, dimensional figures. Okay, yeah, dimensional figures. We have a lot of them. We have from square, rectangle, triangle, and so on. Okay, so inside here I want to add my triangle class. So to create the class, since I want to store it inside the new package, I will have to go to the package and right click and add the class. So I'll go to new, then class. So here I will add triangle. Okay, good. So we added our class. So now the first thing we will do, let's talk about comments. Now, comments are very important. It makes our program easy to understand. Like it gives some description, like to describe each section of code what it is meant for. So the first thing, so a comment, there are two types of comments. You have single line comment and multi-line comment. Now to add a single line comment, okay, you use what? Forward slash, two forward slashes, and then you can add what you want. So let's say in the first step I will add something called the main method, and main method is very important. Now without a main method your program will not execute. So down here then I can now, okay, man fi waagu jërëjëf. Point length. Okay, then inside I can add, this title is for triangle, so I'll just do this. Okay, good. So this is just to design my program. It's just to design it, but if you don't want to do it, you can skip this line. So here I'll just add this. Okay guys, so wait, I need to, this one. Okay, what is this? I need to close it here. That's it. Okay, so that's my title section. So in the second section I'm going to use a multi-line comment. I'm going to show you how to use a multi-line comment, and then show you what I need. So to add a multi-line comment, use forward slash, two asterisk, then close it with a forward slash. So in the middle of the two asterisks I can expand it like that, and in each line I can describe what I want. So here I will say the first thing I need is to calculate the area of triangle. Okay, and which is by default we know is half times breadth times height. is the area of a triangle, and the next thing is a perimeter. Now to find the perimeter, there are different ways based on the type of angle. So if it is a right angle triangle, there is another way. But if it is just a normal triangle, it's A plus B plus C, okay, where A, B, and C are the sides. Okay, good. So this is a multiline comment. So a multiline comment, you could add as many lines of comment as possible. Okay, so down here now I'm going to display the area first. So I'll just say system.out. Okay, 1/2 could also be the same as 0.5. Okay, so instead of saying 1/2, we could use 0.5. Okay, so inside here I could just do this. I could put it inside a bracket here. I'll just say 0.5, which is half times the breadth. So let's say here breadth is equal to 3. Okay, and then height is equals to 4. Okay, so down here I will just say 3 breadth times, so here the times you use what? Use asterisk, not times, huh? So it will be 0.5 times 3 times 4. Okay, so this should be our area. So if I run this, so let's run this and see what happens. Okay, so we are seeing what? 6 as our answer. But now let's make it more meaningful. Now remember, hello, if you add a comment, whenever the program is being executed, it will ignore the comment. So if you want to ignore a section also, like you don't want it to be displayed or to be part of the execution, you make sure you comment it out. Good. Okay, so that's why all this line of comment, you don't see them in your display. So let's make it more readable, because I'm seeing 6.0, but you know, it will be hard for you to know. Okay, let's say for someone to know what this 6.0 is. So to do that, to make it more readable, we can concatenate. Like, to concatenate means to join things. So in Java, if you want to concatenate things, you use what? A string. Okay, strings are the most important type in Java, but string is not a data type, it is an object. So before our answer here, I could add a string. So, and to add a string, remember, use double quotation. So just do this. Now to join this string with the answer, I will use plus sign. So this is called concatenation. To concatenate two things or to join two things, you use plus sign. Okay, to join a string and a value, you use plus sign between the string, this is the string, and the value here. So in the middle of the string here, or double quotation, I'll put there area of triangle. So if I do this now, let me add an A here. So if I do that, okay, I can do this and add a space before the end of the string. I can add a space here. Why am I adding a space? So that when I display this, you will see a space between the value and the triangle and the description here. This, okay. So let's run this again. Okay, so you can see now it is what? Area of triangle is 6.0. Okay, good guys. So I hope so you will understand that. Okay, so the next thing is we talk about the perimeter here. So this time on I will use a shortcut S out. That you can only use this when you are dealing with if you are using IntelliJ, but if not, just type system.out.println. Okay, So that's it. So inside here I will add perimeter. So I'll say perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle, then I will join it with the answer. So the answer is, let me put it inside another bracket. Why? Because I don't want to mix things up. So inside here I will just put here, let's say this each side, let's say A is equal to 4. Inside the comment, this is a comment, okay, this is a comment, so I will say A is equal to 4, B is equals to 3, okay, and C is equals to 2, C is equals to 5, because let's say C is the hypotenuse. Okay, good. So inside here, remember, this is the formula for the perimeter. Okay, so where A and B and C are defined now, okay, so inside here we pass the numbers, which is 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5, C is 5. Okay, good. So let's run this again and see what it's going to give us. Okay, good. So that's it. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 5, that's 12. So area of triangle 6.0, perimeter of triangle is 12. So this is the basic program that I was having for you guys. And if you have a question, don't forget to add it in the comment below. I will be happy to be there for you and help you and assist you. Okay, so hopefully you will enjoy this program, and hopefully you will learn from it and make more research and read the book if there is anything that you don't understand. And if you want me to make a video about something, you send it to me. Okay, I will make a video for it. Thank you so much, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that if I drop a new video you will see it. And also don't forget to like. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day.